Hello friends, my name is Mani and today I'm here in Bremen, which is an outskirt areas of Bremen, and it's a house of my uncle. And this is a question which has been asked by a lot of students at the how the apartments in Germany are. This is a construction which is going on, so we'll just come inside and yeah. So this is a rule over here that after 6 o'clock you are not allowed to use your vacuum cleaner, or you are not allowed to make up the sounds. Either it's 6 or 7, it depends. Yeah, so I'm just switching on the lights. This is a washroom. Here in the washroom also we generally have the heaters, and this is a heater in the washroom. I'll just switch on the lights. It's very common to have the heater in the washroom here. Yeah, and okay, so these are the stairs for the upper floor and these are the stairs for the down floor. So that's a cellar here, and where you can put your washing machine and all those stuffs. So if you wanted to see, then come, I'll show you the cellar here. So I really like the cellar. It's a very old house, and I am just looking for the lights actually. Yeah, I just saw that light. Come. Yeah. So this is a washing area here, and it's not been so organized at the moment, but still, washing machine, this is a heater. It is very difficult in Germany to dry your clothes. That's the reason they use the heater. It's same in Canada, US and UK in many parts. That's a cellar for them. I don't want it to go. Generally in Germany we have a system of cellar, what we call it in India as a store. So they put up a cellar, and yeah, so this is something like a party room for them, but we would be going upstairs. This is the system for the heating purpose, where they can optimize the heating according to their requirements. So yeah, come. Now I would be showing you certain rooms which are very common. If you see the pattern of one room, that is similar for the others as well. So we can show you the best room of this apartment, which is not the apartment, the house, which is this room, which has the balcony here. Okay, so you need to understand the system, right? When you do it this way, means it has been locked. When you do it in this way, that means you can open it. Yeah, you can open it. And when you do it in this way, upper side, that means it's gonna be half. Okay, so this is very important for all of you who are coming for the first time over here, because I made the mistake when I came for the first year. These are the heaters where you can optimize according to your own requirement. Like it's on 5, you can do it in 4, 3, 2, 1 and so on, right? Here to get the furniture from IKEA is very common. Generally the people get it from IKEA. It is already it's already made. They take the inches and they fix it on, right? It is, you just have to assemble it, right? It has already been made. This entire furniture is from IKEA. Yeah, lights are very important to close over here. It's very expensive. Then I'll just show you the washrooms. I wanted to be very important about the washroom is that please don't put the water on the floor, because these ceilings are not like in India, you know, you keep putting the water over here. That is the reason why they keep the mat, so that the water is not here. If the water is there, the leakage is there, then it is a very high penalty for the other people which you need to pay, because here the maintenance cost is very high. It is common to have the heaters in the bathroom, but the heaters in the bathroom in this manner so that you can put your towel and other stuffs to get it dry. This is what generally the people do over here, right? So there is no, especially for Indians, there is no way for the washing area. Usually they use the tissues, and this is a concept here for taking the shower, which I have seen most of the time. Either it will be in the form of curtain, or this will be the format altogether. Yeah, this is very common over here. This is a bathing tub. Yeah, so I think these information might be beneficial for all of you. If you have any question related to Germany, related to overseas education, related to Europe, we would be very happy to help you out. You are most welcome to contact us for any inquiry. We will help you out. Yeah, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Please don't forget to comment if you have any question. Thank you.